Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Solutions Nerds. In this video I'm going to show you a new Instagram upload feature called trial reels. We will cover what are trial reels, how to upload a trial reel, and who will use trial reels. But before that, if you're new to our YouTube channel, then hit the subscribe button now for our future videos. Now let's back to the video. So what are trial reels? Trial reels on Instagram allow creators to experiment with new ideas and get early feedback on whether their content resonates by allowing them to share reels with accounts that do not follow them. You can later choose to share a trial reel with your followers at any time. Now, who will use trial reels? You must have a professional account to use trial reels, but right now it is trial reels as a part of ongoing testing, so creator without a professional account may also access to trial reels. Now let's upload a video as a trial reel. Now click on this plus icon. I will select this video, then click on next, then click on next, and then click on next. Then here you can see the trial option here. Enable this option. Now in here you can see in feed and reels, your reel will only be shown to non-followers at first and won't appear on your profile. If it performs well, you can also choose to automatically share it with everyone. I will type a caption, for example, I will fire #fire. Then click on OK and then click on share. Now once your trial reel is uploaded, go to your profile, then click on reels, and at top you can see trial reels. Every reel you uploaded as a trial will be here. So I uploaded earlier a trial reel which got 16.6k views, and now if you want to share your reel with everyone, what you need to do, click on that trial reel, and then at the bottom you can see trial reel with insights. Click on this, and here you will see share to everyone. Click on this, and now your reel will be visible to everyone, and it will be off from trial reels, and your reel will be here, and also your follower will see your trial reel. So this was the quick video. What are trial reels, how to upload a reel as a trial, and who will use trial reels. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe, must comment about this video, and thanks for watching.